2016 Prime Time Avenger 25 RKS travel trailer for sale in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin. 53051. This Prime Time is 28 feet in length, has one slide, one power awning with LED lights, one AC unit and sleeps 4. This unit is shown in an off-white exterior and chocolate color interior. This unit has had no pets, no water damage and has been smoke-free. This Avenger is ready for your family to enjoy the great outdoors. Features: 3-burner stove, gas oven, fridge, freezer, microwave, ample storage and Kitchen Dinette Booth TV, DVD, CD, stereo, cable-ready sofa, bed, bathtub, shower, outside shower, queen-size bed, dual closets in bedroom, under bed storage, complete outside kitchen include 2-burner stove, fridge, pantry, TV mount and hookups. This travel trailer is ready to go and is priced to sell. Please call 402-502-8385 for more information. A